I'm trying to film this because my faucet is broken. It's loose right here. I already disconnect the water, shut out the water main at the bottom, so there's no water coming out. But this is loose, and this faucet has been around for 10 years, more than 10 years. And so what I did is I went to Amazon and bought a Husky Universal Faucet nut wrench. I think I bought it from Amazon or Home Depot. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I bought it, and then this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. It's this is the nut wrench. It comes with the adapter. This is the adapter. Noises everywhere. This is the adapter. It comes with it. This is the nut wrench. And this extension I bought it from Harbor Freight, and this is just my regular wrench tool. So I went down there, and then I go upward. I basically go upward, and then I can remove this pipe. She still has some water. Remove the pipe. And then afterwards, there's this plastic thing that's attached to the bottom of the faucet, and I also use the nut wrench to fit this plastic and then take it off. So it's pretty useful. This nut wrench is really useful. Without this, I try to remove the nut, this nut especially, with a wrench, and then I don't have enough room to work. Every time I try to ratchet one direction, the wall just blocks me, and the sink blocks me. I just don't have enough room. So this is what it looks like at the bottom. I already removed one, and then I'm gonna remove the other one. Once I'm done, I don't know if you can see it. Once I'm done, I can take out the entire faucet and just replace it with a new faucet. Fun. But anyway, hopefully I'm successful. And after that, there's a bunch of gunk at the bottom. I probably have to take a plastic, what do they call it? Plastic spatula, and just scrape these things off and put some Clorox and clean all this junk. I have 3 more of these faucets upstairs. I'm thinking I'm just gonna replace them all. Oh, besides that, I also have to get this thing off. Otherwise, it's gonna be stuck at this lever which control the valves and the bottom. I don't know what this is called. The pipe stops. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it goes. Thanks.